Let me show you how to use this kind of professional frame for your phone. Like you see people, you are watching people's video and they are teaching step-by-step guide on how to do something. All of a sudden, what they want to show you is on the screen, like as if they carried their phone and put on the screen. Understand? Like this one now you are seeing right now on the screen. Let me show you how to use it and how to edit it on your phone.
Now, open your CapCut. Click on New Video. Select the video you want to use. Let's use this one. Click on Add. The first thing you are going to do is select your aspect ratio. Choose any aspect ratio you want. Now, we are going to select background. Let me use a green background color, but you can select any one that you like. Now, the next thing we are going to do here is, after we have selected our color, we are going to touch on the video like this. Adjust it small. Adjust it a little bit. The next thing we are going to do is to head over to stickers. Once you get to stickers, search phone. Click on search and allow it to bring up all the stickers. Now here are multiple phone frames. What you're going to do is that you're going to select any one you like, any one you think that it will match the video that you're editing. Let me use this one here. Now, this one is selected. The next thing you're going to do is that to drag the frame, until it will match exactly size of the video.
Now you have learned it. Give this video a thumbs up and share it for more people to learn. Follow Coach Sopido for more videos.